Time Chinese buffet, and this is the lobby area, and it's so very nice. You go through these doors and you experience great food in a great setting. Okay, I'm gonna explore it and I'm gonna show you as much as I can about what is available here at Chow Time. And it's in the little shopping center right by Pembroke Road and Flamingo. Pembroke Road and Flamingo. Let me just take a picture of Chow Time Grill and Buffet. And I Chow Time Chinese buffet, and I just wanted to show you the different stations and what they have. There is this is our fruit station, and I'm just gonna circle it. Dragon fruit. We got some shrimp over there. Yeah, dragon fruit, pineapples, oranges, melons, honeydew. You know, different stuff. I'm just gonna circle the fruit station so you see what they have. They have kimchi. They have macaroni and stuff like that. All right, this is really nice. Kimchi is pickled cabbage. Yeah, that's the fruit station here in Chow Time. They have the salad station, and this is all that you see there. It's too much to itemize. And Chow Time is in Miramar, in Pembroke Pines, off Pembroke Road. Now this is your Hibachi station, and here you have raw seafood and meats that you can, you know, take up from here and carry it to the Hibachi grill and have them cook it. Different types of noodles, udon noodles, rice noodles, vermicelli, bean sprouts, and other stuff like that. This is the Hibachi station, and they'll cook for you your food to order. And it's really good. The fact that you can get freshly prepared food, that's the wonderful thing. Over here is more of the items that you can have at the grill. All of this is food that you can have at the grill and have them cook it for you. Yeah? Nice, man, nice. Trust me. Pork. You have pork, chicken, shrimp, fish, beef, crab, sausages, and different stuff like that at the grill. The deep fried station, and everything here is deep fried. Yeah, fish, chicken, shrimp, you name it, it's deep fried. All deep fried. And over here we have roast beef. We have the oyster. Well, there's no oyster bar. You know, we have all the sushi and sashimi station, and this is edamame, seaweed, tofu, shrimp, different crab sticks, and then you have a wide array of sushi and sashimi, which is sashimi is raw fish. And we have a full crowd in here, so a lot of the stations are running short on stuff, are running low on stuff, but yeah, that's what's going on here. And let me go over to this area where they have soups, different types of soup. This is spicy shrimp soup, this is hot and sour soup, seafood soup, wonton over there, egg drop, wonton soup over there, and they have different dim sum, vegetables, pot sticker dumplings and stuff. It's generally a good array of items that they have here at Chow Time. And it's one of those places that I would recommend. Here they have international flair, which is pork, beef, chicken, salmon, crayfish, crab, shrimp, different types of fish, octopus, crab legs and stuff like that. There, quick overture I'm giving you, quick overture. Over here you have Asian cuisine, frog's legs, and right there is frog legs. Over there, frog legs, yeah. And different types of Asian food, which is good. Yeah, very good. And the final place that I'm going to show you is their dessert table, where they have different puddings, different mixes and sweet mixes. Yeah. But this is definitely one of the better buffets in South Florida. The prices are not too expensive. The atmosphere is good and it's clean, and definitely it's well supported. It's really popular. So yeah, next time you're in town, visit Chow Time. Yeah, so got a plate with some stuff. Yeah, and just trying to get some freshly done grilled. That's mine he's working on right now. Yeah, I have chicken, beef, a little bit of sausage, a little bit of everything. And that's how they do it here at Hibachi Grill. I'll show you the finished plate in just a moment. This is the finished dish. Yeah, all of that. Just cook up, I take some spicy, I take teriyaki sauce and soya sauce. And then I just got some noodles on the side. But this is the finished thing that I got, and the family I eat for them on or something over there. So you like it? It is very intelligent. This place is very intelligent. I highly recommend it for all you people who love the intelligence. Alright, I'm gonna name the food. So to round off the dish, I'm getting some fruit, some orange. You can get some orange, pineapple, lime, dragon fruit, and a little lime. Yeah, it was a good meal. I only go up there about 2 times and take some food. I'm not take that much because I'm slim. I'm very slim. You know, I'm gonna really eat it and drink it. Yeah, so everybody can go over there and everybody can go over there and take some stuff, okay? Remember, I'm telling you, Chow Time in a Miramar. Hey, how much you give Chow Time? How much you give Chow Time out of 10? This place? 7. 7 out of 10? Right? But 7 out of 10, see? 6 because the man trouble me. She going to go bad up the people, them, yeah? Joshua, how much you give them out of 10?
1.5.
Really?
The person was mean to me.
They were mean to you because you went and messed with the man thing. Josh, they come out of the road. So that was Chow Time. And we enjoy Chow Time. And them are the running man. Yardie belly in a foreign.